All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm coming at you with a tip on how you can schedule your Facebook posts from your business page. I made a reel a couple weeks ago on the fact that, hey, this is a great way to save some time in your business. You know, schedule out your posts for the week using pictures and info from the last week's jobs, etc. And someone was like, hey, I don't know how to do this, so here we go. I'm making a video on it. So we're going to come right over to my profile. And in my case, I'm going to use our business page and we're going to jump right over to it. So I've got the business page pulled up. If you don't know how to access your business page or you don't have a Facebook business page, you've got to make one right now. That can be another video. But in my case, you know, I'm just going to type in the Blue Crocus Solutions. I'm going to open that up here, head over there, right? Same thing that you're going to do with your video, or sorry, with your page if you're going to be doing it, okay? So when you jump into the page, Facebook has been changing around the interface here quite a bit over the last little while. And so as you jump in here, I may take a couple wrong moves, but as we do it, this will be a learning experience for you, because I don't do this a ton, but I do know how to get there, okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to switch into the page, but what you can also do here is as you get into posting, yeah, so you have to switch right into the page here to post and all of that good stuff, okay? So you're gonna come up here to the your profile picture, and then you're gonna switch to, I don't think this is taking me where I wanna go. So like I said, I am gonna take a couple wrong turns here, but there we go. So we wanna see all profiles. So I manage a lot of different profiles here, and now we're headed over to Blue Crocus Solutions. So there, first learning experience, okay? So we're gonna go, I'm acting as Blue Crocus, so I could go and like my reel, I could go like this reel as Blue Crocus, etc. But I'm gonna actually go over to the Blue Crocus page. And we're gonna start interacting on there. And this is what you're gonna do to interact on your Facebook business page profile, okay? So we're gonna jump in here. You can see we've got a dashboard, we've got insights, we've got ad center, and now that I'm in here, I can actually post. Before, when I was just looking at it from my profile, I couldn't post. So that's something that they've changed recently, right? So a few different ways you can schedule a post, and why, you know, let's dive into why we want to schedule a post, right? And if you've gotten some value already out of this video, please like and subscribe, because this helps us grow the channel. But why do you want to post? You want to post, or why do you want to schedule? You want to schedule so that you can, you know, like I said before, plan out your week, plan out your posts so that you don't have to be jumping in at all hours of the day to, you know, get those posts out. You can also look at your stats on your Facebook page, your business page, and you can look at, hey, this is the best windows of time for me to post, so I can schedule all my posts in there, okay? So one way to do it here is you can just, I'm going to define the audience here. You can jump in here, you're going to make a post, yada, yada, yada. Blue Crocus Solutions is awesome. But then you can go in here and it's going to give you the option to schedule your posts from Planner in Meta Business Suite, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to do that. You're going to head right over to the Meta Business Suite, okay? And what this is this is the whole back end here that allows you to go and schedule stuff, all that good stuff, and make it happen. So I actually haven't scheduled posts from here because I'm typically working during the time that I want to schedule it. We've done this on our junk removal page, could have brought that up, but this allows you to go in here and you can create a post, create a story, create a reel, bulk upload videos, post your video across pages, etc. So we're gonna make a post here. It's gonna take a second here to rock and roll through. I'm just gonna do testing out scheduling feature. All right, you can attach pictures, you can change the background here. We can add a photo, any random photo. I'm gonna use one of me for my canoeing trip here. You can jump in here and do a location. I actually really recommend this. This is a little bonus tip here. If you're posting from your business page, tag the location in the Facebook post. That actually helps for SEO, okay? So I'm gonna do Fredericton, because that's my location. Here, okay. That is a throwback picture if there ever was one. I think that was about 15 years ago. Okay, so we're gonna do that. You can add a button to your post to get messages. So I actually recommend this. So we'll do get messages. You can do A/B testing, or you can create a link as well if you're posting a link of your website, all of that. You can come in here and play around with this, right? But the big thing that we're looking for is the schedule post feature. This is where things get really, really handy, right? So on here, you can see we added the messaging feature, and so people can send a message. I don't think you can do the link to at the same time, but I could be wrong. You can play around with that. But what we're here for is we're here to see the scheduling feature, right? So we're going to do schedule. You can literally choose a time, anytime in the future. I could do it the 30th of March at, 4 in the morning if I want, right? If I've seen that that's a good time. You can also look at active times, and you can look at the times. It kind of gives you a time when your audience is most active here, and you can choose some time. So 7 p.m. is typically when my audience is most active because I'm on the East Coast, and so that averages out the time where we have a lot of people that follow the page on the West Coast as well, right? So yeah, so there you go. So we can just schedule the post up here, and I've done it the 30th, so I can go in and edit it because I don't actually want this post to go, but it schedules the post. And, like it said, it may take a moment here to get it out. But here you can see, if you look at the whole view of the month, you can see, boom, we've got a post scheduled right there. And you can come in here, you can move it around. Actually, I think you have to go in and edit the post specifically, but there you have it, guys. That is how you can schedule posts. As far as I know, it's a lot easier to do from your desktop. I haven't played around with it too much on mobile, but if you found value in this video, please share it out. Please subscribe to the channel, follow along with what we're doing, and we hope to be dropping more tips like this. See you soon.